Hello guys, I've got the Steelseries Actis Nova Pro wireless. I got the PC and PS5 version, and you can use it on PS4 and Switch as well. So I just wanted to get another headset just to replace my previous Corsair ones for my PC. So I decided to go with one of these with the little DAC here and the little battery swappage and that. I think that's a very good feature. So let's have a look around the box. You can tell it's a Steelseries box with the orange and the grey. It's nicely packed. Just shows you a little picture at the back here, what you can do. And it's got active noise cancelling as well, so I can't wait to try that. That's what's in the box. So they do get very loud. So I'll quickly open it now. Okay, got to take some take off. So I got this, the legendary unboxing knife. It's been in most of my videos. Quickly take these two seals off. It's just, yeah, two. Okay, turn it around. I think it slides out, yep. Just give it a bit of shake. Okay, wow, what is this? First edition. That's sick. Some postcards or something. No, that's not postcards, it's just a picture. But it says the first edition, so I'm fully not sure what that is, but let me know down in the comments what the first edition one is for, or what it is. That's nice, eh? You've got instructions as well. Okay, so what do we have? Where should I start? Okay, we'll start here first actually. So here is the microphone positioning. Okay. So this is your 3.5 jack to another 3.5. That's good. This cable is a Type C to USB A. And there's another one as well, because you can plug it into your PS5 and your PC at the same time. There's a spare battery there. So these are stuff I would actually need to take out anyway. A little cover, little what's it called, sponge for the microphone. It's good. The only cable I don't think I'll use is just one of these. So having a look at the headset for actual in person, real life. Yeah, they actually look good. Not too in your face, which look good. I don't like it too crazy looking. But yeah, you can tell the quality feels very good. Especially how much you buying these headsets for. So that's like aluminium, brushed aluminium. That's metal as well. That's good. So you got good materials and strong plastic as well. Especially this strap, which straps on your head. Yeah, looking good. I think you can open one of these for the battery, I think. Oh, there you go. One of the batteries already in there. Nice. And just magnetic goes on that. I think you can get custom covers, I think. And that is where I think it charges. I hope it's not, but I think it is. So let me quickly just check. Oh, it is. That's a funny place. Well, if you don't want to use that, I recommend just charge your batteries, make sure they're all fully charged, and then you should be fine. Oh, that's bad, but that's longer. It's quite loose. Oh, there we go. So they do look nice. Compare it to my Corsair ones. Corsair ones are much bigger, but drivers, I think, are they same or different? I have to look into that. So another grey headset, but these are smaller and lighter as well, which is good. Just compare it to the Razer headset. most expensive ones out of all of them, and it's the smallest, except a little bit here, yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna test them out and go from there. But oh, it's got little microphone parts here as well. And let me show you here quickly. Look at that. Oh, I think that's smart. Move it around as well a little bit. Yeah, so it looks nice. Oh, it's clumsy on me. But yeah, I can't wait to try them. But anyway, yeah, let me do a sound test and we'll get back to it. So this is the DAC here. You control the volume up and down. If you hold the button here, you can check all the settings in that here. So I went on audio, so you can use that from the software on the PC. I put it on high, so you get the highest volume. And you got other stuff here. This is like noise cancelling here, so you can hear your surrounding. I put it on low. Okay, and then just go back to that, control volume and that like that. So I tried the headset, and you know, like all my reviews are gonna say they're very good and that. Actually, yeah, they're actually good. These are gonna definitely replace my Corsair ones, because I can just get more a volume sound out of it, and it sounds even more crisp and more bassy. I'll actually prefer them. That's why I chose them more. So these are actually my main PC headset, them Steelseries. And I tried all different musics. It's very good. You can't go wrong. So yeah, it's very good. And yeah, I actually do recommend them. I'm very amazed with them as well. But there you have it, guys. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.